Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a spinning a digital final on the VN video editor and Flow. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed all this application in your mobile phone. And after you have installed it, you can open up the Flow first. Okay, we're going to get the digital final from this Flow application. Okay, and we need to go to the discover and go to search template, and you're going to search for music template. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates for you. You can scroll down, and I recommend you to choose this one, but actually you can choose another template, but for me I prefer this one. Okay, and we can click on download, but since I have downloaded, so here I just need to click on use now. Okay, and then you can import your photo. For me, I'm just going to import this photo. Click on next. All right, and then I'm going to change the text. We can tap on the text, and for instance, I'm just going to input this text. Okay, and then for this text, I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we can click on this icon to save it. I'm going to tap on export and click on export. Okay, and just hold on guys. And the next one, we're going to edit video using a VN video editor. So here we can choose to make a video with VN, and then you can choose the video duration. Okay, I'm going to choose 5 seconds. All right, and then I'm going to rotate the music, the digital final. I'm going to tap on this digital final item, and then we're going to unlock it. Don't forget to tap on that and unlock it, and go to the motion, and you're going to choose loop animation and select spin. Okay, just spin like this, and you're going to increase the duration to make it become slower. Oops, sorry guys. I'm going to go back to the spin. Okay, and then it will create something like this, and click on the check mark, and then you can add music to this project. Okay, and that's all the way to create spinning digital final on VN and Flow. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.